And after all that exercise, you will have worked up an appetite. Today, I'm with the wonderful Mamadou and Jay to create a Thai classic, Tom Yum Goong, with all the herbs and spices used in the dish from the resort's garden.
We wanted to have a herb garden that talks about what we would do in our home. What are the medicinal benefits of it? If I eat this, will it heal me of something? We want to connect to the earth that we are in, the location. What do you see within a 10-kilometer radius? What do the people in those 10-kilometer radius eat? Try to bring that in, because that is local, deep local.
The first step of this iconic Thai dish is to make the broth. So they've got to be caramelised and very brown so they get the flavour.
Yes. You see that coming out?
Yes.
That's what I want the flavors to go in, basically.
Okay.
That's the entire flavor.
That's the flavour. And you know it's cooked by when the colour is all that orange colour?
Yes.
Got it.
Now the prawn is almost done.
Okay.
Transfer the hot water. When it's boiling, then next you add the coriander root, but you have to smash a little bit and then put in. This is lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Yes.
Oh, I love lemongrass.
Stalks, not the leaf.
Okay. Galangal?
Galangal and some dried chili if you like spicy.
I like it spicy.
But if kaffir lime leaf,
Kaffir lime. And you had some of those out
this is
the
from
garden.
our herb garden.
Yes.
If you use this kaffir lime and you heat up with coconut oil, that's the best remedy for hair fall.
I know some people who could do with that.
I've tried it, it didn't work.
and this is
Dry
the
shrimp?
Dry shrimp, just around half cups
Okay. And how long do you leave this to boil for?
for around 10 minutes.
So we will keep this, we will cool it down, we'll blend the whole thing so the full flavor is coming out. That's what we got here. She has ground the whole thing and she has strained it.
With cold stock, just add galangal
Yes.
in.
Some lemongrass. Do you want me to do it?
Yes, and shallot and turn on the heat.
Some mushrooms.
Yes.
Next.
Add the prawns in.
Okay. It looks like it's almost cooked to me.
Yes.
So do you want me to put it in here?
Yes.
What you have to understand is that when you take this out, it is still hot.
Yes. So it's going to
It's
keep
still cooking. Yeah.
Yes. That's something I did know.
Yeah. Wow, those prawns look happy.
You
So we're
see
basically almost finished now, have we?
all- Yes.
That was quick,
It was
wasn't
quick,
it?
yeah.
Fresh limes, fish sauce and sugar are added to the soup. And then comes my favourite step. It's delicious. Fantastic. You are a good teacher, Mamadou.